Yes, good morning all.
Good morning.
Yes, boys and girls.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning, Amma. I think,
Good morning.
yeah, very good, very good. I used to hear all your voice, right? Great. Now, today and tomorrow also, I want to talk with time and work because I don't want to touch another new content because we find enough time. So let us go slowly and let us make yourself strong in particular topic, right? And one more thing is, being a graduate, being a final year student, I would like to suggest you have two options. One is to go for higher education or to go for job. Now, that of course that depends upon your circumstances, your financial status. It depends upon your parents, your way of thinking, and everything. See, if you want to go for higher education like MBA, definitely this kind of training is required. Now, if you want to go for campus placements, again, aptitude is required. If you want to settle in the life to get, you want to get a government job, also aptitude is required. So wherever you go, aptitude plays vital role. So I request everyone better focus during these days. I think you don't have any work regarding to this college, homework, assignments, such kind of things you don't have. So better I request all of you, focus more on this, whatever I'm teaching. Please do my questions, that's enough. I'm giving all levels, level 1, level 2, everything I'm giving. So I would like to suggest everyone, kindly look into each and every problem so that you are very comfortable. Like MAT is the exam which is going to conduct in the month of September. So I think one competitive exam is ready for you, right? One wonderful platform where you can exhibit your performance so that you can prepare easily, targeting that in what you call 40 to 50 days time is there. 40 days time is there. First week of September, the examination will be having. So MAT exam, so which is the entrance to join in all deemed universities, like topmost universities in India, like in Bangalore, Christ College, Carmel, topmost colleges are there. Even Chennai Satyabama Institute of Technology, like many of the colleges are there. Even in Hyderabad, Dhruva College of Management, top colleges like Aurora. So I think you know very well about all these things. See, target one thing which you have to settle as early as possible. Don't think about this crisis, Corona. Of course, it is there. So you should not waste your valuable academic year. Of course, academic year will be there. It won't be what you call closed. So apart from that, you try to improve your skills. Skills are very, very important. Enhance your skills so that you can settle as early as possible. I request few of the people. See, initially I used to see 190 people. Now it has reduced. Now I used to see that 25 today. So 25, I don't know what is the reason. Whether you people are not following or you're not interested, I don't know exactly. But there are so many factors. So people are not going to join. But even to write exam also last week, I found only 34 people. Now this is not good from your part. Of course, I feel that you people are deserved. Only 25 people, those who are having determination, having what you call fire to attempt this kind of things easily. Even I used to see that, I used to observe while doing many of the questions, I used to see the response, what I used to get from you. Is it right? So I request all of you, please focus more on this. Do not waste time, right? Let us go slowly. Still, you have one more month, complete what you call August, right? We continue these sessions. Don't worry about this, right? Shall I start? Good morning once again.
Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning.
Sir.
Right, why your seems to be dull, right? It should be very active, right? Morning, fresh time. Yes, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now let us do fast because I have come in front of you with 25 questions. Is it right? So our target is to finish 25 questions. Because a few questions which you are feeling easy, so let us push it fast, and the rest of the things we focus more on that. Let's go. Okay, now first question. See the first question. A can do a bit of work in 8 days. Great. A can do 8 days. B can also do 10 days. How many days? Both cooperating. Cooperating means what? Together. So rule is very simple, Amma. Let me do fast. 18 to 10 by 18, right? 2 nines, 2 fours, 40 by 9, right? 40 by 9, answer is A. Let me continue. Question number 2. A and B can dive a trench, right? AB. So let us take that AB can do the work 12 days, right? Instead of talking dive, trench, right? Trench in the sense, in Telugu it is called as Gunta, right? They are digging, diving, right? Fine. So which A alone can do? So A alone can do 30 days. See here, when two people are working, they are taking less number of days. When a single man is doing, he's taking more days. Are you following? This is pure practical. Then B alone can borrow it. How many days? B. Can you please tell me what is the logic behind this?
XY by X minus 1.
Excellent, Amma. 12 into 30. So you just keep in your mind the logic. Don't write
20 days.
X, Y by X minus Y. So beside you can write since X is equal to 12, Y is equal to 30. This is nonsense. Is it right? We have done all these things in our childhood. Is it right? Great. Difference is 18. Fine. 6 twos, 6 threes, 3 tens, absolutely 20. So answer is C. Cool. In the first question, we have taken xy by x plus y. Second question, we have taken xy by x minus y. So let us do gradually. Now, A can do a bit of work in 25 days. Right. B can complete the work in 20 days. Both together labor for 5 days. Labor in the sense they worked for 5 days. Great. Afterwards, A leaves the job. Great. Let me write properly. A, 25 days. B, 20 days. They started the work. After 5 days, A left. Can you please tell me the number of days worked by A and B? Come on. A, he worked for 5 days and left. That means how many days he worked?
5 days.
5 days.
This we does not know about this. This fellow is working from beginning to ending. Let us take
X,
whole
yeah.
number of days taken by B is nothing but X. Right. I think you know the steps clearly. I'll write directly 5 by 25.
16.
X by 20 is equal to 1. It is 1 by 5. Send this side, this will become 4 by 5. So it is nothing but 20. So answer X value is 16. Clear? X value is 16.
16 minus 5.
Minus 5.
11 days.
This is for whole work. So remaining work.
Remaining.
Beautiful boss. I think if you do more number of questions, I think you can just see that. Strictly speaking that, how much time it will take hardly, if you know the procedure. If you know the procedure, it's maximum 15 seconds, Amma. Is it right? Maximum 15 seconds. So what I suggest you, training teaches many things. Without training, doing the problem is different from with the training, doing the problem. Is it right? Is it right? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's absolutely
Yes, sir.
I think you are now tasting and enjoying the problem, right? Now let me go for question number 4. A and B can do the work 12 days. B and C 15 days. C and A 20 days. I think by reading only this thing, we got the idea what kind of question they'll ask. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How long they completed cooperating, that is together, ABC. Fine. Do it gradually, and finally what to do? Finally what to do?
Into 2.
XYZ.
Exactly. If the question is given A 12 days, B 15 days, C 20 days, you should not do into 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because double capacities are given, you must have to do into 2. And additionally, how long A alone? This also we have to calculate. Nothing to worry.
A alone.
A boss, how to get ABC from ABC, if you subtract BC, you get A.
Yes, sir.
Now you got the comprehension of this question. To do one idea. Is it right? Let me do this one.
10 days, sir.
12 into 15 into
20.
12 into
12 into
15 plus
15 into 20
One only zero.
plus 20 into 12. Okay. Okay. This is 4 into 3 ma. It is 5 into 3. So 20 also gets cancelled. It is 9. It is 15. It is 12. 27 plus 9, 36. So 12, 3s are 3, 5s are, make it done.
5.
ABC is nothing but 10.
10 days.
Now to calculate AB, I need to play with BC. BC is nothing but 15.
Yes, sir.
Right. So A is equal to 10 into 15, difference
30.
5. Please, answer is 30. So your answer is,
30.
A.
that's all. So what we used here, XYZ by XY plus YZ plus ZX. This we have done, and also XY by minus 1.
X.
Is it right? Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, boss. Question number 6. A can fabricate a divider in 30 days. I think this is the word we have done yesterday. A did 30 days. B alone 40 days. 7,000 is there. What is the share of B? Yeah, good. So A, B, we need to calculate the work ratio, right? It is 1 by 30. It is 1 by 40. So clear 4 is to 3. So out of 7,000, how can they share? So B is 3,000. A is 4,000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Amma? Is it just oral simple question? Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So we are doing a little fast. All the 5 questions are similar. I think repeatedly appeared. Great. To recap the basic concepts. Now the question seems to be somewhat lengthy because we find 3 lines. Don't worry about that. Let us read the question properly. A can do a bit of work in 10 days. Right. B alone can do 15 days. They cooperate for 5 days, and whatever remains the work is finished by C in 2 days. They cooperated for 5 days, and the remaining work done by C in 2 days. What is the meaning of that? Remains, whatever remains, done by C in 2 days. Come on. That means A, B may not be there in the group. C finished the remaining in 2 days. Is it right? C completed in 2 days. Because we does not know the capacity of this man. So they worked for 5 days initially. Following my point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Following? Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Great.
sir.
Now, what is the amount? 4,500 is given. So what are the shares of those people, first of all? So what is the style of doing this question in a smart way?
1 by 10 into 5 into 4, 500.
5 into 4500. That gives A. So 0, 25 to 20, 22. This is of this one. I think your answer is clear. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Let us do the same. 1 by 15 into 5 into 4500, right? 3 times 1500. I think clear. You must have confidence, boss. First of all, you must have confidence on you. Array was it may be there, it may not be there. Let us go and calculate. That is nonsense, right? Once 2250 is there, just click and then move. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Question number 7. Great, Amma. I think you understood this one.
Yes, sir.
Great. Question number 7. A can do a bit of work in 20 days. B can do in 12 days. B worked it for 9 days. A completed the remaining work in how many days? B worked for 9 days. B worked for 9 days. A completed the remaining how many days? Let us do it. X by 20 plus 9 by 12 is equal to 1. 3 3s, 3 4s. Send that side. 1 by 4. X by 20. Right? X is equal to 5.
5 days. 5.
That's all. That's all. Right? Remember, it's B. Is it right? Next. Question number 8. A and B. A can do 45 days. B can do 40 days. They started the work together. However, A leaves after few days. How many days?
Few
Few
days.
days.
Few days means what?
X.
Let's take X. Great. B completed the remaining work in 23 days. See, they started together and he completed the work in 23 days, remaining work.
X plus 23.
Exactly. Why? Because he worked with A for X days. Then this fellow left. He also took 23 days to complete the remaining work. Now, what I said, whenever this kind of what we call unknown data is given this side, can you please remember?
Work done.
Yeah, work done. I think is a number of days. This is days. It is also days. It is also days. Work done can be done only with man and days.
Okay.
Whenever actually you have to write how you have to write x by 45.
First LCM, sir.
The
X
exact
by
number
40.
40 is equal to 1. Instead of doing all these things, just 45 and 40, let us take LCM, right? 5 nines, 5x. So 40 nines are 360. I'll do 360 LCM. 45 how many times? Come on, 8 times. 45 remove 8 times. 8 into x, 8x plus 40 into how much? 40. Remove this one, 9 times. Is it right? 9 into x. 9x plus 9 3s are 27, 2, 9 2s are 18, 207. So it is 17x is equal to, send that side, that is 207. It is 3, 35 minutes this one, 153. How many times was exactly? 9 times.
9.
Answer is clear. What is the question? After how long he lives? That means how many days he worked and left. He worked for X days and left. So your absolute answer is 9. Suppose in case, how long B took the whole time? What is the answer? X plus 23. That is 9 plus 23.
32.
32.
Have you understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Of your boss voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, boss. Very good. Right. Now, 9th question. A does half as much work as B. Great. So if B do 100 works, A can do half. Great comparison. As B in 3/4 of the time. In 3/4 of the time. Time is also given. 3/4 of the time. And half chance that together they take 18 days to finish together. That is AB. 18 days. That means how we got this one? By doing x plus xy by x plus y, we got it. Fine. The amount of time might B take to do it. B, how many days he took? This is the time you need to calculate. Then what to do was, come on. Come on. Yes, come on.
Not getting ideas.
Not getting idea. Read the question properly. Half work he's doing in 3/4 of the time. So let me write A. Half work, half of the part he can do 3/4 of the time. Let us take 3/4 of the time, half work. Full time? Full time? 1 by 2 into
2.
4 by 3.
2.
Right? Is it correct?
2 by 3.
Say 3/4 of the time. It is nothing but 2/3 of the work completed in full work. Is it clear?
Yes,
That
sir.
means
Yes, sir.
if you
Yes,
take
sir.
2:3, if B can do 3 works, A can do 2 works. Understood? Why? Because this fellow is doing only half in remaining time. So I'll take, it is 2x, it is 3x. Together, I'll write 2x into 3x by total is 5x, which is equal to 18. So 6. So 3. Cancel x. X is equal to 15. Right? See, my question is, how much time might be taken B in the sense 3x. It is absolutely 45. Yeah. Following?
Okay. Yes.
Are you following my point?
Yes, sir.
Previously, we have done half of the work I can do in 4 days. What we have done? 4 into 2 by 1 or multiplied. We said that 8 days. Is it right? Similarly, our work in 3/4 time, that is full time. So 3/4 of the day, let us take day. So full day he can do 2/3. Is it right? Now cross it. He do one work, he do 2/3 work. Now cross it like this. Following my point? Great. Let me go for question number 10. 8 men can do a work in 20 days on off chance that a man work half double as a kid. Half double as a kid. What is the meaning of that? Kid. So 4 men and 9 kids can do how many days? Condition is given. Man works half double as kid. What is the meaning of that? Half double. Don't worry about this word. Right? Man works half double as kid. What it means? That means man is equal to twice of kid. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Following? So man is double of kids. If 2 kids can do the work, one man can do the work. So what the question is given? So let me convert into man, right? Whatever it may be. 1 man is equal to 2 kids. 4 man is equal to how much?
8 kids.
8 kids, right? So I'll write clearly 8 kids. So let me convert man also. 1 man is equal to 2 kids. So 16 kids can do your work 20 days. It is how much? 17 kids can do how many days? Just less number of days, right? Just approximately we can take as 16 days. Shall I take 16 days? Because we cannot get decimal. We cannot get decimal, right? Because manpower is more, less number of people. That is 16 by 17 into 20. So approximately I'll take like 19 will get it. Because options are not available. So you can take as the 16, which is the possible answer. Are you following this one first of all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you. Right. So we'll go to the next one. Similar question. 1 man or is equal to 2 ladies is equal to 3 kids. Can do the work. Comparison of 3 people. 44 days. Right. Then the same bit of work will be finished by 1 man and 1 lady and 1 kid. What to do, boss? First of all, tell me, any one of you. What to do? Convert into single variable. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Need to convert
Yes, sir.
single variable. What to do now? Tell me. Shall we convert into men? Shall we convert into ladies? Shall we convert into kids?
Men.
Man.
Wonderful.
Men,
As
sir.
relation is given directly, right? Relation is given directly. Now let me convert. Right. 1 man is equal. I want to convert, so I don't want to disturb this one. So 1 lady. How much? 1 by 2 men.
Number 2.
Okay. 1
By
by 3 men. Let me write 1 man, 1 by 2 man, 1 by 3 man. LCM is 6. 6 man plus 3 man plus 2 man. It is nothing but 11 man by 6. So let me write the equation like this. 1 man can do the work 44 days. 11 by 6 man can do how many days? Is it clear, all of you? Understood? I'm writing in terms of man.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
calculation, boss. Multiply directly. 1 into 44 by 11 by 6. By 6 I'll write here. 11 fours, 4 6 are 24. Right? Choice is B. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Three variable conversion so far we have not done. I think this is the first question. You convert whatever it may be, right? Because we decided that we want to convert into men. So we made the equation in terms of math. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Question number 12. 8 kids and 12 men can finish a work in 9 days. Great. In the event, every youngster takes double the time taken by the man. Time. That means I'll take man is equal to 2 youngsters. Is it right? If you talk about the time, days, double the time. In how long 12 men, right, complete the same work? Right. I want to write in terms of men. So every youngster means kid, say kids is equal to men. I write kid is equal to how much? M by 2. Is it right? Kid is equal to
Yes, sir.
M by 2. Can you please tell me orally? 4 men
4 men
plus 12,
plus 12.
16 men, 9 days, 12 men. How many days? Great. 3 fours, 3 threes, 4 fours. So 12 days. Okay, boss? Understood? See, one relation will convert entire equation to make it simple. If the relation is not given, there is no solution for this. Is it right? Great. Question number 13. A does 4/5 of the work in 20 days. So full work, 20 into 5 by 4, right? 25 days. You can say that A can do a work in 25 days. Straight equation.
25.
He then assembles in B. They completed the remaining in B in 3 days. What is the meaning of this one? Assemble. That means he joined with B.
Together.
He took 25 days, right? He joined with B. They can finish the work in 3 days. So how many days B alone can do? This is the okay, right? So is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'll write 3 by 25 plus 3 by x is equal to 1. 3 by x is equal to how much it will be? 22 by 25
22 by 5.
plus x value is equal to 75 by 22. How to simplify this one? I think we do not have.
Yes.
I think C is there, but 22 is not there. He then assembles in B, then complete the remaining in work in the remaining. Acha, we need to subtract, right? 4/5 of the work in 20 days. B completed the remaining work in 3 days. So I think no. This 2 is we got extra. Is it clear, all of you? First, A capacity is given. This is the capacity of A. So A can do 25 days. This states very clearly. Now he then assembles in B. That means he joined with B, then completed the remaining work in this one. That means almost all A done 4/5 of the work. Remaining work. Let me do remaining how much? 1/5 of the work. Right? So this is 22. He can do only 1/5 of the work. 5, what do you call ones? 5s. This is nothing but days. So this is also not clear. Is it right? 22 by 15, I think, which gives days. It is work. 4/5 of the work he can do. He did 20 days. He joined for 3 days. Then what extent B alone? I think a choice is not available, boss. Okay. I hope you understood this one. The sentence is given very clearly. This is complete remaining only, right? Remaining is 75 by 22 into 1/5 part. Already 4/5 part he did 20 days. So only 1/5 part. So 1 5s, 5 ones, 5 5s. 5 by 22 days. I think this is abnormal, which is not there. Anyway, we'll look into this one later. Come on. Go to question number 14. A is thrice as great as labor as B. Thrice greater. That means you do work thrice. If you do 100 works, get to how many works? Come on.
300.
300. Great. Now, one work, three work. Along these lines, can complete an occupation in 60 days less than B. Now, we talk about days. Here is X, here is 3X. Now, let me give the sentence. A is efficient than B. Is it right? Because he is doing how many days less than B? A is
6
doing,
days.
no. A is doing how many days less than B? 2X. A is doing X days, B is doing 3X, A is doing how many days less than B? 2X, which is equal to 60 given in the question. X value is 30. Then can do it in how many days? Can do it what? Right? Less than B. Cooperating. That means both. Both. X value 30. It is
90.
30 into. See, wording is very important. Word
20 days.
right? 4. 90 by 4 is 45 by 2. See, the procedure is right. Sometimes answer may be wrong. So B is right, absolutely. I hope you understood this part. Is it right? Time and work are inverse related. Keep in your mind. Next. 7 men can do a work in 2 days. They started the work after 5 days. 2 men left. Wonderful. They started the work after 5 days. Right? 2 men left. Left. How many days the work is completed by the remaining men? Remaining in the sense, remaining 5 men.
5 men.
5 men. How many days they'll finish? This question seems to be very easy. It seems to be what you call clearly understanding. But how to express it? Come on. Now, I'll give explanation. 7 men can work 12 days if they do not have any disturbance. But after 5 days, 2 men left. Once again, I'm telling, after 5 days, 2 men left. After 5 days means 7 people
Worked for 5 days.
they have to do. After 5 days means 7 people still how many days they have to do? 7 days. Are you following my point this step? See, these people, they have to do 12 days. But after 5 days means how many days still they have to do? 7 days. 5 days after means 7 men still they have to do 7 days. Then 2 men left. So 5 men can do how many days? Come on. Manpower less, they'll take more number of days. Right? Clear? 49 by 5. Absolutely 10. Approximately. Right? So remaining work. Remaining means this is the starting work completed by 7 people. 7 people still they have to do 7 days. By the time 5 men they can complete remaining work in how many days? 10 days approximately. Any doubt? I think no voice. Huh?
Sir, explain again, sir.
Right. See, I'll ask one question. Please try to interact with me. 7 people, how many days they have to do?
12 days.
12 days.
Initially, they worked for 5 days. Then how many days they have to do?
7 days. 7 days.
7 people, still they have to do 7 days. By the time what happened? 2 men left. That means manpower is reduced. So how many days these people, the remaining men, these 5 men can do how many days? Simple. 7 into 7 by 5. I hope you understood the step. Okay.
Yes.
Question number 16. 12 men, same question, worked for 9 days. After they worked for 6 days, 6 more men joined. Now please tell me, after 6 days, 6 men joined, plus they have not left. Come and tell me, Come on, I'll ask one question. 12
18 men.
No, no.
3
12
days.
men, how many days they have?
Total 18 men.
No, 12 men, how many days they have to do first?
9 days.
9 days.
Sir, 12
After
months.
6 days, that means 12 men have to do
3 days.
9 plus
no, 3 days.
3 days. Then 18 men. How many
6
days?
days they have
18
done.
men, how many days?
Now, 18 men can do how many days?
How many days?
6.
2 days.
2 days. Answer clear. Now we got it. See, 9 days they have to do. They don't have any disturbance. First 6 days they have done. How many days they have to do? 3 days they have to do.
Still 3 days they have to do. Okay.
The manpower increase, they'll finish a little early. Right? Good. I think you understood with 2 questions. Next. 4 men and 6 women can do the work in 8 days. While 3 men and 7 women can do in 10 days. How many days 10 men can do it? Exactly. I hope you remember the procedure.
Women. Sir, women, sir.
I'll do in a smart method. 2 4s, 2 5s. Simplification. 4 4s are 16. 5 3s are 15. Difference is 1. 4 6 are 24. 5 7s are 35.
30.
24 is difference is 11. 11 women. 1 man is equal to 11 women. Let me convert. 1 man is equal to 11 women. So how to convert? I'll do 11 women.
Sir, they're asking 10 women, sir.
10 women, right, great. 10 women. Wait, Amma, I don't want to convert women. 1 man is equal to 11 women. Right. 33 plus 7, 40 women can do the work in 10 days. And 10 women can do the work how many days? Very simple.
Yes.
Is it right? 40 days.
40.
Even if they give men also, convert into women. Nothing wrong. Right? Let us do the same question. 18th one. 6 men and 8 boys do your work in 10 days. 6 men, don't worry about these complicated numbers. 48 boys can do in 2 days. Great. The time taken by 15 and 20 boys can do in how many days? Right. Let us simplify. 2 5s, 2 1. 5 6 are 30. 1 26. 30 26, 4 men.
4 men.
Great. I'm not writing more steps. I'm just talking. This is 40, 48.
8 women.
Yes. 1 man is equal to 2 boys. Great. Let me do 2 boys. I'll go here. 2 boys because seems to be somewhat largest values. So better of that. 12 plus 8, 20 boys. Do your work in 10 days. 30 plus 20. 50 boys can do how many days? Right? Right?
4.
4 days. I think this question is very simple and easy, right? Matter of 15 seconds. Great. Question number 19. A and B can do your work in 7. B and C can make painting in 10 days. A, B, C can finish the work in 4 days. Oh, great. Then AC together how many days? If I want to get AC, I need to have A value separately, E value separately. Then I can do X, Y by X plus Y. So this is our target. What to do first? If I want A value, I need to subtract BC. So I'll play 10 into 4 by difference is 6. 2 2s, 2 3s, 20 by 3. So I got the value of A. If I want the value of C, I need to subtract AB from ABC. 6 into 4 by difference is 2. Right? 12. So this is nothing but C. Now let me mix both. In this one, 20 by 3 into 12 by
20 by
20 by 3 plus 12. So 3. 36 plus 36. Cancel. 20 by 56. Come on. 4 1, 4 4s. 2 sevens. 30 by 7. 30 by 7 means 7 4s are 28. 2 by 7. Is it clear, all of you? See here, we have not applied any new concept. Is it right? We applied only x by x plus y, x y by x minus y. That's all. All of you. That's what I said. Your comprehension must be clear. This you need to think. Whatever the question is given, you need to think. Right? Okay. Great. Now, let me continue. Puja is twice as efficient as Arti. Puja, Arti. Efficient means what I said, work. So 100 works, 200 works.
200.
One work. If you talk about days, X days, 6 days. And it takes 90 days less than Arti to complete work. Puja is taking 90 days less. How many days less here? X days, which is equal to 90. Hope you understood. So this value 90, this value 180. If you want to jog together, 90 into 180 by 270. So here, y by plus y. So 3 times.
60.
Right here? All of you.
Yes, sir. 60
Okay.
days.
I think this kind of assumption we have done n number of times. Work time like this you have to take. This is very important. Okay. Question number. Let me do one more question because your star may be join us. Monica is as good as Sonika. Same. Monica, Sonika. Work. So x 100, 200. X 2x. Days if you take x 2x. And together complete the work in 20 days. Together, what to do?
X into 2x
X
by
into
3x
2x
is
by
equal to 20.
3x is equal to
Is
20.
equal to what? 20.
Equal to 20.
So cancel. 10. X is equal to 30. Right? Days, Monica alone finished the work. Monica alone in the sense, this is. Answer is 30.
30.
Following? Great.
Yes, sir.
Repeated question. Let's go for 22. 6 men can pack 12 boxes in 7 days, working 7 hours per day. Great strategy. How many days? Days mean this is question mark. 14 men can pack 18 boxes
9 hours.
in 9 hours per day. Okay. Right, Amma, what to do? I think this is called proportion. Comparison. Yeah, comparison. Now, question mark, let me compare this first. You can compare this also. You can compare this also. Within one step, you get the answer. Daily, if I work for 7 hours, I can take 7 days. If I work for more hours, I can take less number of days. So I'll write less
7
by
into 7 by 9.
I want to compare these two. These two I want to compare. Daily, if I work for 7 hours, I can prepare 12 boxes. Sorry, question mark and this.
Yes.
So 12 boxes made in 7 days. 18 boxes made in more days. More in the sense 18
by 12.
More you have to write first. And question mark this one. 6 men can do 7 days. Manpower is increased, so they'll take less number of days. Less in the sense 6 by 15. Simple calculation box. 7 2s 2 9 cancel by 2. Left over is 7 by 2.
7 by 2.
Only one step. Is it right? Following?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So let me do one more question, right? Let me
Sir,
do one more
explain again, sir.
Amma, it is a simple comparison, right? Question mark must be compared with these two. Daily 7 hours if I work, I'll take 7 days. If I work for more hours, I'll take less number of days. So I have taken less by more into 7. Now let me compare these two. 12 boxes made in 7 days. If I want to make more boxes, I'll take more days. More in the sense, I'll take more by less. If you feel less, write down less first. If you feel more, you write down more. 6 men, right? 7 days. 14 men. Manpower increase. Will take less number of days. Less by how can do cancellation. Question number 23. I'll close this one. Right. 4 men and 5 boys work in 20 days. I think it is repeatedly given. 5 men and 4 boys can do in 16 days. How many days? This is question mark. 4 men and 3 boys can do. Come on, let me do fast. 4 5s, 4 4s. 20, 20. I think meaningless. Yesterday we have done this question. Is it right? Meaningless. We don't get the relation. Is it right? Great. Let me continue with the 24th question, please. Now, ABC can do, A can do 24 days, B can do 30 days, C can do 40 days. They began the work together. C left 4 days before the completion of the work. Before the completion of the work.
X minus 4.
So we write X for all these people because they are working from beginning. He just left 4 days before.
Minus 4.
How many days the work was completed? We need to calculate the X value. So by this time, what to do? LCM. 24, 30, 40. Don't worry about this. Please calculate. 12, 15, 20. Right? 2, 6, 2, 10. 8 as it is. 5 3s, 5 2s, 6. 2 3s, 1s as it is. 3 1s, 1s. Calculation 10, 30, 60, 120. Right? 120. 24 how many times? 5 times. I'll write 5x. 30 how many times? 4 times. I'll write 4x. 43 times. 2, 3, 8 minus 12. It is nothing but 12x. Is equal to 132. X is equal to 11. Is it clear? Whole work.
Yes, sir.
Work completed. Not remaining. We're not finding the word remaining. Right? So I'll stop this one. Just I'll show you the 5th question, 25th question, last one. How it will be. A 10 days, B 15 days. They're together for 5 days. The rest of the work finished by C in 2 more days. 2 more days extra. So they worked for 5 days. A 5, B 5, C 2 days. Then get the answer. 3,000 days, 3,000 rupees. The days of all these things. You can do it easily. Right? So thank you. Let me see that your sir is available or not. Sai Kiran or Vaibhav. Yes. For the join. I think no one is there. Okay. Right. We'll close this session. Right. I think sir may not be online. We'll close this session. Okay, ma? Yeah, all of you.
Sir is not there, sir. Sai Kiran, sir.
Sai Kiran sir is not there. Of course, of course, you won't come. Okay, fine, ma. No problem. We'll close this session. Right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.